What's going on, everybody? We're back. You can tell from earlier we got a lot of tree damage here. With our 80 plus 90 plus mile an hour wind gusts we had, we are in cleanup mode for a little while, but we're gonna get rolling, and we're not gonna record the whole thing, but just some tidbits here and there. So we're gonna get rolling. Stick with us. All right, we're making progress. We got that one cleaned up. This one's cut up. This pile. This over here, we got some Widowmakers out. Clean up that pile over there. And that's my sexy wife right there. Oh yeah. Alright. We're gonna get these little piles picked up, and then we're gonna clean up this area right here, since this is kind of like the main play area, and then we're gonna work our way that way and around the house. We're making progress. Progress. Still got that big boy right there, and then it's cracked. There's this big branch, right? It's cracked right there, and it's leaning on this tree over here. So I'm gonna have to find somebody with a big bucket truck to come in and clean up, I guess. That'll be expensive. We got the whole fam bam getting her done. Oh, fam bam?
Yeah.
I'm picking up the stick piles.
We're using the wheelbarrow.
Yeah, you're using the wheelbarrows, being a big help. Doing awesome jobs.
Look, the yellow leaf.
The yellow leaf.
Yeah.
Lily over here taking a breather. Looking all lovable. That's our next spot. We're gonna gas up and get trucking.
Hold on. Nice.
cute. It's a video.
I thought you were a picture. I'm here. I am smiling.
Really, come on. Well, first tank of gas through the saw. The old steel MS 170's kicking it. Cutting through this cottonwood like butter with that crappy hand filing job of mine. Still got a hanger right here, but I got no way to get to it. But we got the gang of trees down. We're working on it. Reinforcements. We got a long way to go. But they look good doing it. Nothing. Hey, are you cute?
Says I'm busy.
You're busy.
Hey.
All right,
Hey.
I'm gonna get some more gas and we're gonna keep cutting. Stick with us. This was all full of trees. We got lots to go, but we're making headway. I think this is the only spot where something landed on the fence, believe it or not. So, that's all right. We are making headway. Slowly but surely.
Dad, will this be all cleaned up?
Well, eventually we'll get it all cleaned up. We ain't gonna get it all today, but
But tomorrow will be real.
no, we won't get it done tomorrow either.
That's
But you'll have to stay tuned for that. So let's keep going. All right, guys. Well, we got done with our second tank of fuel. We got this area pretty much done. We got this stuff kind of right next to the fence is kind of cut up into smaller pieces. We almost have a pathway now. We got this stuff cut up. Our pear tree is no longer gonna be with us. We got this stuff kind of cut up. I've been chopping this stuff up into smaller pieces. I didn't notice it till later or just recently, but our power line's right here, and that tree just probably touched it. So we are very fortunate that we did not get our power lines ripped out. But after the cleanup here, there will be nothing left in this general area. Barrett's corn did all right back here. The corn at the other garden is pretty much all flatlined, but we'll see if it comes back. But we're gonna call it a day. We've been at it for about 5 hours or so, and we're getting thirsty. So stay tuned for the rest of this. I don't know if it's gonna be on this video or a different video, but we got a whole lot more. Oh, there's more. There's more. I didn't notice that. More trees up front. That's a bummer. I guess there's even more now. Oh well. I was running out of projects to do anyway. Not really. But, oh well. I mean, it's just amazing. We got stuff everywhere. We're gonna have to get some reinforcements in, I think. I don't want to take these cottonwoods out. This one, that one, this one, and that one. I think they're joined at the hip down here at the bottom. But I think these two we can just fall that way. These two right here, they're leaning this way, so I don't know how we're gonna do that one. But eventually I want to get all the cottonwood trees out of here. But anyway, got anything to say, homie? Where'd that toad go?
I lost him.
You lost him? Where'd he go? There was this big old toad sitting right over here.
I looked everywhere.
Oh. Well, maybe we'll find him. Oh well. Anyway, we're gonna call it a wrap. So we're gonna go to put stuff away and get some drinks, figure out what we're gonna do for supper, and hang out, I guess. I mean, after all, it is about the middle of the week, I think. Feels like Monday, but I don't think it is. Oh well. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. We hope you stick around for the next video. We really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching. So hopefully you stick around for the next one. We'll see you then. Stay safe. Catch you in a bit. Peace.